Hey, what's up, everybody? This is the project I just finished. 5,000 square feet of hardwood. Brand new house. New tile, new ceramic. Brand new 3 1/4 hardwood. Just about done. Got my pro knees on. Pro knees are the best knee pads for a flooring contractor. All through here. All through here. Down this hallway. Wrap around here. Dining room. This is the main foyer. The columns. This is like a living room. Beautiful ceiling. Brand new marble. Beautiful curved entryway. Comes through here. Brand new paint. Had my guys do the paint. There's the foyer. Got the curved steps. Go all the way up both sides. It's a beautiful, beautiful look. Then we got the upstairs hallway. We got some angles here. Angles there. Angles here. And all curves here. Beautiful layout. This is the overhang. Here's the ceiling. Look at that crown molding. A lot of custom work in here. Been doing this 23 years. All flooring, hardwood, laminate, marble, ceramic carpet, vinyl plank. All custom homes and all commercial work. I love the detail. The curve right here. And that's it.